Hi friends, here we are given A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. We have to prove 1 by root B plus root C, 1 by root C plus root A, 1 by root A plus root B. These are also in arithmetic progression. Right. Here to prove that these three terms are also in arithmetic progression, we have to find difference of this first and second and third, and show that the difference is same. For that, we should rationalize the denominators to show that the differences are same. If we rationalize the denominators, it will become little easier. Right? Let's see how to do this. For example, 1 by root b plus root c. We can rationalize this by multiplying on both sides by root c minus root b by root c minus root b. This will give us the first time will become root c minus root b by c minus b. Similarly, the second term will become root c minus root a by c minus a. Similarly, third term will become root b minus root a by b minus a. Now, a, b, c are in arithmetic progression. That means if the difference is d, c minus b will become d, right? And c minus a will become 2d. And b minus a will become d again. Right. Now, let's see. Now, these terms are a little more comfortable for us. Right. Let's see the second term minus first term. Root c minus root a minus 2 into root c minus root b by 2d. Correct. This gives us minus 2 into minus root b. Right. 2 root b. Right. Root c minus 2 root c. Minus root c minus root a by 2d. Right. 2 root c minus 2 root c, that is minus root c, and minus 2 into minus root b, which is 2 root b. 2 root b minus 2 root c minus root a. Similarly, third term minus second term. What will it become? Root b minus root a, 2 into minus root c minus root a by 2d. Right. Third term minus second term. The denominator is 2 into 2 into root b minus root a minus root c minus root a. This again becomes 2 root b minus 2 root a, right, minus 2 root a plus root a. This becomes minus root a minus root a minus root c by 2d. Right, 2 root b minus 2 root a plus root a, which is minus root a minus root c. Now, if you see this and this are same, that means 3 minus 2, the third term minus second term is equal to second term minus first term. That's what we wanted to prove, right? The difference between this and this is equal to difference between this and this. So then these three are also in arithmetic progression. This is a simple problem. Just that we need to rationalize the denominators and show that the difference between these terms are same. Thank you guys. Hope you like this.